In a small cottage on the edge of a great forest lived two clever kids named Hansel and Gretel. One day, while exploring, they found a house made of gingerbread, candy, and cake. But this was no ordinary candy house. It was the home of a friendly witch who loved to bake. She had so much candy, she didn't know what to do with it all. Hansel, who loved technology, had an idea. "Let's build a candy drone delivery service," he said. Gretel, who was great at planning, drew up the plans. Together, they built a fleet of candy drones. With a buzz and a whir, the drones flew all over the kingdom, delivering the witch's delicious treats to everyone. The witch was so happy. She had new friends and a way to share her passion with the world. Hansel and Gretel had a new business and all the candy they could eat. They learned that with a little creativity and teamwork, you can turn any problem into a sweet adventure.